Good morning, this is Keith All, and we're in the Builderall platform using the Cheetah Builder. And have you ever wondered or have you ever come across a situation where you need to move multiple elements all at once instead of individually moving them one at a time? Meaning, let's say you have a box element here, and then you have multiple other elements right here. They may be text elements, they may be image elements or button elements. It doesn't matter. But let's say you wanted to put them all into the box element. Okay? Now, one way, of course, the hard way, is to move them individually. But let's say you want to move them all at once. And let's say you previously aligned them perfectly the way that you wanted them to. So let's just say I want to move all these elements. These are individual image elements right now. And you want to move them all together all at once into this box element. So the easy way and shortcut way to do it is to be able to select all the elements all at once and then move it over. So what you do is you want to hold down the Shift key as you click each element. Keep holding down the Shift key as you click each element. And then let go of the Shift key and now just click the last element and now move it all together at once. And there you have it. That's a very shortcut way to be able to move all your elements all at once. Hopefully this tutorial gave you a really simplified and shortcut way to manage your elements on your web page using the Builderall Cheetah Builder. Again, thank you for stopping by today. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification so you always get updated when a new video is ready. And also, please like, share, and comment on these videos. I appreciate you and your support of this channel. You have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.